Edo State Civil Society Organization, in commemoration of the World Human Rights Day, don present award give Permanent Secretary, Federal Ministry of Agriculture and Food Security, Dr. Ernest Afolabi Umakhihe, for im contribution to agriculture and food security for Naija, especially for Edo State. Lefties Omobude Ago, on behalf of Edo State Civil Society Organization, come present the award to Dr. Ernest Afolabi.
This award of excellence is presented to Dr. Ernest Afolabi Umakhihe in recognition for your selfless service to the nation in agricultural development, particularly your concern and support for local farmers. Congratulations, sir.
Please appreciate.
Permanent Secretary, Federal Ministry of Agriculture and Food Security, Dr. Ernest Afolabi, for im talk with Tori People come talk say he dey happy with this award sake of say the thing wey he do small don turn big thing, and say the result of hard work na more work.
I know some of us here, even in the civil society group, they are farmers too. So I think it's in recognition of that and other support I must have rendered one way or the other to the society. I feel fulfilled. I feel dedicated to the cause and the idea of the Edo Civil Society Organization. So I feel fulfilled and I'm elated by this award. It's a recognition that I value so much.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Benin City, Pelumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.